for 8th Street. Transfer is available to the C, E, and L train. Transfer is also available to the M14 Phillips bus. This is an accessible station. The elevator is at the front of the platform. Okay guys, I'm not going to sit here. I'm going to go all the way there. And this video is going to be 15 clips. I repeat 15 clips. Yeah. Ooh, this dude is getting coins. This dude is going to blow. There are a lot of statues in this station. I just can't believe it. I mean, look. Okay. Looks like a C train's coming in 2 minutes. Yeah, it says that in the screen. Alright, so we're gonna go all the way in the end. And yeah, so let's find some more statues while we walk. It's 14th Street. I love. Oh, I love this thing. It's just like doing that. Okay. The train's coming. So this is going to be our second clip because the train is approaching from either this one or the other side. Yeah, I think it's in the other side. Yeah. Yes, I knew it. I knew it. Yeah, so, yeah, now we're gonna, there's another train coming, guys, don't worry, guys. I just wanna, Sadly, no statues here, but that's okay. Train coming. R211 entrance to Alstom Park, Lefferts Boulevard. I think a train is coming, so there. Take a look at this. Guys, in our just kidding, 11th clip, we're gonna go to the L train, like right over there. Yeah, the L train. You hear what I say? The L train at 11th clip. And guys, our next MTA video is gonna be 7 trains at 69th Street, but you know why we're doing a redo? Because we're gonna do the renovation. Like, now they did a renovation in the Manhattan line. Now they're gonna do a renovation on the Manhattan, Flushing line. So yeah, you know what I'm saying. Dun, 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 the 4th one. I don't see any Uptown A trains coming. Not me, downtown, not Uptown. So this is the 5th clip, so going to Far Rockaway. It's gonna go to Uptown. Oh, train came. Inward. Nice. Okay, guys. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. Yeah, this is our last clip. This is our last clip. Then we go to the other side, like the Uptown platform. Take a look at this R160 Alstom or Siemens. Oh, that's Alstom. Alstom. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the Uptown platform. Alright. I don't see any statues. No statues. But that's okay. Now I'm gonna go over. Wow, I see a lot of statues. This is going to be 7th clip. If a train comes, it's a 7th clip. Train doesn't come, it's not a 7th clip. So I'm gonna sit over here. Oh, it looks like a 8 train coming. So this is a 7th clip.
The next stop is 23rd Street.
Guys, this is the night clip. Bless me. Here's an R179 A train. Here we go. R115. So here is nothing. So I'm just gonna 2 more clips and wait. An R160 Siemens E-train on the A line. That's good and weird. It's weird to have an R167 on the A line. Yeah, that's so insane. Insaneness. Side. Wow. So many statues, guys. There's 2 dudes walking with a coin. And we are on our way to the L line. Can't wait. So, now I'm gonna... Guys, our first video was the EFMR trains at Woodhaven, and then the last video to clip is Times Square. Yeah, Times Square is our last MTA video before moving on to the LIRR. Then we're going to take the L train. You know, we're going to rail fan the L train, like rail fanning. I'm not going to ride it. Just going to rail fanning the L trains, returning to, ooh, that looks like a elephant and a giraffe wearing Asian hats. I mean vintage hats. And ooh, I love those dudes over there. And oh, the L train's right there. I'm gonna go there shortly. Okay, guys. Okay. There. Now. Oh, before leaving. Alright, guys. So this is a plan video. is the 12th one. Okay guys, 2 more clips, then we end the video. Train leaves, right? That counts the clip. The clip counts. Alright guys, 1 more clip, then we end the video. Guys, 1 more clip, then we end the video. So please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Alright. Oh, you post videos on YouTube? Alright, so I bet this train is gonna leave soon, I bet. Alright, so I don't know which train to take. Maybe this one. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, so guys, this is our last clip. So please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye and peace.